So vele kukhona la isikhathi lesi lo younger brother wavela waba namaphikonyana. It's child number 3. He's the firstborn, and then there's this one that I said they sacrificed him first, child number 2, and then this one is child number 3. Is the remaining omlamayo ngendlela yabo. So wathi yena omkhulu yena sebamenza ukuthi abe mdala yena kubhuti wakhe silapha yana kodwa sanga. So well mase sifika lapho it's emergency. Wamgreba umntana uyasaba ngoba ubana amanzi aphuma ngomlomo manje ngivele ngiyamsula namakhala. So umntana uyasaba ngithi ungamsaba baba ilona ubonisa uthando, and then the strength went out. Ngamthatha umntana. I'm sorry, I told myself I'm not gonna be emotional, but there are some stories leze udlule kuzona. It's not like awupholanga kodwa when you relate them you go back to that space again. Yeah. So ngathi ke kwaba emergency ke ngamthatha ke umntana ngoba ngibona ukuthi amandla wasekho. It was like
Fix Haven connects you with trusted plumbers, electricians, cleaners, and more right when you need them. Simply download the app, find reliable professionals near you, and get the job done right at the first time. And if you are a skilled professional looking for work, download Fix Haven Pro on the app stores, use the code CHRIS26 for a discount, and start getting jobs today. Go to the description and find their link there or on our first comment.
Welcome to the dopest show. Of course, I'm Chris Moss. You already know I'm doing the best show, even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kanda. Do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Please subscribe, press sensation bell as well as join the membership, and also donate. Our details shown after the disclaimer. Thank you so much to those who are doing that. Highly appreciated. And also shout out to Fix Haven. If you want their app, is on our description as well as on our first comment. Thank you so much for sponsoring the episode. We highly appreciate it. Ekanda, we on grace or
Yeah, we on grace.
On grace.
It's God's time.
Yeah.
The chipping at charity.
Yeah, James is not around.
Yeah, I mean,
colleague.
Yeah, Nkarwatintswalo. Yeah.
Lento yisho wrong ukuthi sesizaba ukutshela.
Hayi. Yes.
Yisho wrong wena kodwa ngoba kuthiwa vela sesibonga ukuzama. My mom is back for part 2. I don't remember, but it's part
3, no?
It's part 3.
Last week it was part 2, but it didn't get to finish.
Wow.
Yes.
Zit die stories ka mama.
Yo, I thought it's part 2, bro.
Oh. Zit die stories ka mama.
Yo, my bad. Part 3. Mama siyabingelela futhi siyakwamukela eshowini. Sizoqhubeka la isagcina khona cause kunezinto wathi ezibalekile ezasala, so I think sizoqala kuzo siye phambili. Ngicela nje ubingelela ababukeli emakhaya bese singena odabeni. Laba abaqala ukubona namhlanje if beya back ku YouTube yes bazobona ukuthi kuno part 1 no part 2 no part 3 then bazoba understand the story.
Ngiyana misheweta Ebitrayesu Kristu wa Nazareth. Amen. I greet you all in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Hallelujah. My name is Ntunani Annette Matebula. As I've said before, that Matebula is because of marriage. I am Mdaga ngintombi kaMdaga. Hallelujah.
Amen.
So I come from I was born and bred in a place called Ngwamitwa in Tsanini, in Limpopo, in a village called Ganganoi. So that's where I was born and bred and got married there. But now I reside in Proteas Lane. Amen.
Amen.
So I came with part one. My part one, it was about how I got children in a situation where I wasn't supposed to have children. And then now I came with part two, so I didn't get to finish. So this is the part three, which goes together with part two. Okay, on part two, I was explaining where my husband saw people. And then in the line, there was a line. That line was like, it was red and white. It was a red tape with a white. It was red and white. Those tapes which they put, if there is a hole, if they have dug a hole and then they put it there so that people cannot fall inside. So he saw that tape, but it was straight from that side to the other side. And then because I said those people who looked like they love him without even telling him, it was not like people esibajwayele, the way he explained. Bebangabantu laba mawabheka, you can see love on their eyes and on their faces. So baye bathi mabadlala lawo ma instrument, ngithe bebadlala ma instruments, all kinds of instruments which are on earth and others which he hadn't seen before. They were playing in a good manner, as if ngathi bayatshelana ukuthi bazidlale ngesikhathi esi1, but the sound was so good. So ebejabulela ukuthi angene lapho. So ukubonisa ukuthi bayamvumela, they baye bathi amakhanda, bagoba amakhanda. So it's like they're saying it's okay, you can come. So uthe makabona le tape, yilapho sekafuna ukuthi azobeka inyawo lakhe lokuqala, and then he put his first feet, and then maseka alifakile inyawo lakhe, kwatholakala ukuthi ebengaboni kanti kune drata. Yabona le drata leyakudala leya, lawa madrata dala layan, lawa bambayo la anama pins. Watholakala ukuthi ibruku lakhe libamba lapho ene libamba kabuhlungu leyo drat. And it seemed like the same idrat leyo, it's controlling the whole electricity of those people ukuthi bakhona ukudlala lama instruments. So the instruments couldn't play anymore. So labantu bawayeka bawabeka phansi bonke. And bangamtshelanga, he could hear ukuthi bathi it's okay, we will wait for you until you finish. We don't mind ukuthi uyazidisturb. It means it was a telepathical talk. So athi bangampheleli inhliziyo, and then wa try ukuthi akinope, uyakinipula ama drat la, athi manginipula la kubambe nangapha, manginipula la kubambe nangale, manginipula, athi ngakinipula for a very long time. So that's because angithi ngalesa sikhathi he was just telling me the story. So now that I know, it is because when he was in hospital, we were praying for him. He was in a coma for maybe 2 days, and then he passed away. So he was in hospital at that time, and we were praying for him, and there were big drums because they said it's what do they call this disease? That it's the brain. It's the brain, and then I forgot its name. When I remember, I'll tell you. So he was in a coma for 2 days, and then that's it. So we were praying for him, and we were exchanging, praying for him. So he was in ICU for 2 days, and then the third day they released him, but still he was not opening his eyes. But they said in the evening he's going to talk. In the evening, they said in the morning he's going to open his eyes in the evening. In the morning, he's going to be totally fine. He's going to wake up. It was on a Sunday. It was supposed to wake up on a Sunday. So that Saturday, we have been praying, exchanging prayers when other people are at the hospital, were surrounding him. Other people are at home in my bedroom. They are praying. We were exchanging with pastors and my friends who are saved. So as we were praying for him, that is us denying him, delaying him to go to that side. That is when I understood after that, no, those lines, the trousers, it was those tubes in hospitals and us praying for him, namadram lao. So he finally got to ukuthi alona asusele linyawo lakuqala, and then balok bamkhuthaza, they're not saying anything, but by them looking at him, he can see that bamkhuthaza ukuthi yeah, you see ukhonile ilona inyawo lokuqala, and then he put the other one, and then it did the same thing. He couldn't get out because we were really praying for him to come back to life. So wayenzakala kanjalo, but at the end wathi ke waze wakhona ke makakhona, and then all of them stood up baphakama bonke, and then they clapped their hands, and then he said they started to want to hug him. He said the first hug, he has never ever felt a hug so beautiful, so peaceful, so alive, so like makayichaza nje athi yo, that hug I don't understand. There is no such hug in this life. Le engiyibone laphayana yalabantu. So I thought ukuthi he hug angithi when you get saved, you remember I told you how I got saved and how excited I was. So I thought of that. Yeah. But it's only after that I realized no, he was going to the afterlife. So after that dream, and then he went to Shawelo. I don't know if I explained this part. No. He went to Shawelo. He was not after coming back from home. This dream, he had it after coming back from home. Even that one that I had, it was that night that he came home that I had that dream where I was holding an envelope and stuff like that. So now he said, I'm stopping to drink. I'm not drinking anymore. He wasn't drinking for maybe that 2 months. And then it was month end of October. And then he said, I want to go and see my brother, said Shawelo. And I said, aren't you going to be uber tempted? No, I don't think ngizaphuza marana no mangaphuza. I don't think it will be too much. And then he went there and saw his family there. It's not all of them, it's just the little brothers there who are working the site. It was like 2 of them, yes. And other family members, bakamatebula, they were like bebahlala kuleyo ndawo yaseShawelo. So if one is there, the others also come. So wabuya ke entambama, masekabuya entambama, it was a Sunday vele thina yena makaya le, we went to church. So uyabuya manje kusentambama, ubuya entambama omkhulunyana, like around 8:08, 9 lapho. Athi yo, I'm so shocked. Uthe uye waphuza nje kancane. Athi yo, I am so shocked. And at that time he's not sleeping at night. He couldn't sleep. No matter what it takes, he couldn't sleep. Sleeping pills, all kinds of pills. He was on medical aid. They could give him the best pills ever, but he couldn't sleep. It was like something iyamvusa nje. And sometimes if ngifuna ukuthi alale, I had ezengivusa athi yazi uzwa obomnandi ngicela ungithandazele, and then I will just pray for him, and then I will put my hand on top of him, ngiloku ngimthandazele ngithi close your eyes, and then that's when he could sleep. But he couldn't like angivuse every night, obviously, because sometimes yabona ukuthi angidisturb, and then mangibeka isandla sami la phezu kwakhe ebelala until nami ngize ngilala ngozele ngiloko ngibeka isandla. That's how you could sleep. That was maybe 1 day or 2 days, but otherwise ebengakhona ukulala because the tokoloshis now were awake and they were busy with him because isithwalo sasilana bafuna kumsacrifice. So when he came back from Shawelo, and then we said, no, nah, today, my wife, I'm shocked. I am so shocked. And I'm like, what's wrong at you? I am so shocked. At you see mouth, you shocked. I am shocked. What's wrong? At my brother, my little brother, and my grandma, and agasati my grandmother, ati his grandmother, magaze ashokanji ati ugogo wake. It means there was something of what my younger brother no gogo wake. They are banezinto zabo lezi kade bazisebenza bebonke bebodwa bengingazazi mina. I didn't know how dangerous they can be, and ukuthi sekufike la. My younger brother told me everything, and into ngizokutshela ukuthi mina I won't make it, ngeke ngize ngiphile. Kodwa this thing I won't tell you. Kodwa I'm shocked. Yabo? So vele kukhona la isikhathi lesi lo younger brother wavela waba namaphikonyana. It's child number 3. He's the firstborn, and then there's this one that I said they sacrificed him first, child number 2, and then this one is child number 3. Is the remaining omlamayo ngendlela. Yabo? So wathi yena omkhulu yena sebamenzi ukuthi abe mdala yena kubhuti wakhe silapha yana, kodwa sangayithathi ngaleyo ndlela. Kodwa athi yena sekamkhulu athi bhuti wena phela mina semdala mina kuwena, bangenze ukuthi ngibe mdala mina omkhulu manje. Yabo? So we didn't take it very seriously. We were thinking maybe bamphe leyandlu le family house. We thought uthi umkhulu ngoba mhlambe bamphele ya family house. We didn't take it seriously. Kanti usho ukuthi ugogo sekambonise ubuthakathi.
Upgrading.
Umbonisile. Kahle bengathakathi. Angithi you remember last time ngakutshela ukuthi how ubuthakathi babenzayo. Lobo bokuthi bathi umuntu uzele nabo. So you can also show somebody ubuthakathi. Uyambonisa, umfundisi. So this one wamfundisa ugogo. Yabo? They can also teach you.
Sure.
So bayabonisa, so ishukuthi ebembonisile ugogo, so that's why azibone emkhulu. So because I remember ekhuluma ezinye izinto engingazi understand. So I'm sure watshela ubhuti wakhe ukuthi when you are going when nanoma ngathini vele yiso isikhathi uyahamba wamtshela ukuthi mina nogogo senze sona wakhuluma everything, kodwa yena uyasaba ukuthi angitshela, kodwa wafika ngitshela ukuthi I'm shocked from today onwards sengathi umuntu angisamazi. Ngiyangizwa ukuthi ngithini manje ifamily yami sengathi angisayazi, like angisamazi umuntu. My brother shocked me, athi ungishokile. So angithi phela usaphila, and I cannot say anything sengathi ngigceka ifamily yakhe wami ngisayida naloko okushoyo. Yabo? So ngiyathula mina ngithi hawu ngoba ngithi akakusho kahle, kodwa athi I'm so shocked, bengazi ukuthi they are this deep, and banama secrets lawa a deep kanje. Into ngizokutshela yona ukuthi mina hey kuphelile ngami baqedile ngami, and I won't make it. Yabo? So ngitshela ukuthi ilona mhlambe ngoba uthe ukuphuza kancane ebusuku uyavuka futhi akhulume futhi hey vuka kunento lo younger brother wami angitshele yona. This thing ngisa shocked namanje, ngisa shocked. I didn't know ukuthi I can live with this family so okay hayi nasekuseni amana ikhuluma, so the whole time ebeloko ikhuluma, and that's when he started to say ukuthi it was on a Monday, and then that Monday athi une headache. Makathi une headache usuyangibiza ngaphandle athi ngena mangena uthi do you hear labantu aba whisperayo in my ears? And I'm like no, there's no one whispering in your ears. Athi no, there are people who are whispering in my ears, can't you hear them? Ngithi no, angibazi. Athi kukhona umuntu futhi ongisaha intamo, you can't hear that? Ngithi no, athi iyasaha isaha la, it's imani sithi saha yangisaha. Ngithi no, there's nothing. Athi mamela kakhulu. Ngithi no, there is nothing. And at that time mase yenzakala lento uNkulunkulu wangitshela ukuthi go into prayer, fasting. Fasting leyo ukuthi ungadli ntambama. I went to 7 days fasting. On Sunday, mangithi ngiyakhulula, ngiyayiceda ngiyicede ebusuku, and then ngaye esontweni. Mase ngisesontweni angitshela ukuthi namhlanje ntambama mawudla udla okugcina, you are going back to 7 days. And I'm like, yo, ngitshela lo mama kade ngene naye athi, lo mama, it's fine, I'm going in with you again. Sayingena leyo 7 days. That is when we finished that 7 days. That Sunday, besiceda i7 days le eye kuyo ngayo le kibo. And that is the end of October. It is now the beginning of November. So something happened in the SAPS that year, and it hasn't happened before. It hadn't happened before. Bafaka imali angithi siyazi sonke ukuthi imali inyanga iphela on a Monday. There is no way bangafaka imali ngeweekend.
Sunday.
Yes, bayifaka obviously bayifaka month and namanje ayikaze ibuye leyo ukuthi kufakwe imali on weekend. But that year bafaka imali, and he was like, athi uyayehla uyothatha something nyane esele in a supermarket, kade sine supermarket down there. Athi uyayehla uyofuna something kuleyo supermarket, and then ulona madlana nyana le esele on that Sunday. Makafika lapho wathola ukuthi kunemali ingenile, because God wanted him to ukuthi ilona isiphithiphithi sikhona kurana isiphithiphithi ukuthi vele imali yakhe singenile. Ingene that day. Mase ngibuya mina ngithola ukuthi fridge igcwele vele, yabo, inokudla na everything. So from lapho ke uthi ikhanda, and then makathi ikhanda mina ngiyalala ngiyaphupha ilapho ngifinisha khona in my fasting. So ngilele ngiyaphupha ngibhebhe le 2-year-old yam. Lo mfana lo uza nomnye umama bekuthiwa umama Ngobeni, uza naye ngemuva kodwa sonke siyagijima, yena ubambe lwana ngesandla, mina ngigijima kakhulu ngoba ngine marathon enkulu edlula yena. And le ndawo engijima kuyona kunezihlahla, you see shrubs. Anginandaba uthi the way ngigijima ngakhona ngigijimisa yena indodami, ngiyamgijimisa ngifuna ukumbamba. Anginandaba ukuthi izihlahla ziyamshaya lo mntana, ama shrubs are busy, ziyamshaya, ngiyangena kusehlathini. Ngiyagijima mase ngigijima ngilokhu ngimgijimisa kanjalo sengathi ngimboni ngathi akekho ezingqondweni zakhe, ushiwa ingqondo, so ngifuna ukumbamba, yabo. Gijima kakhulu, nami ngigijima kakhulu. It's not the normal ukugijima lo kade ngigijima lapha. Bengigijima man. Upepe umntana ngemuva kodwa bengishaya marathon. Lo mama uza ngemuva kodwa hayi akakhavi. Waze lo mama lona wathi, mama Thebula, ma loyo muntu loyo angeke uze umkhone. Abakwamathebula bayayazi lento. Ukuthi athi abakwamathebula bayayazi lento, angithi uMathebula uzalwa kwaMathebula, and ugogo akuyena okwamathebula kodwa kumele vele mase bakhuluma bavele bathi bakwamathebula, yena wale kodwa bavele bathi bakwamathebula ngithi yena uzala umamazala, izinto ezinjalo. Athi bakwamathebula bayayazi leyo nto, yabo. Mase kasho kanjalo yena ufika uthola ibridge, uthola umfula, lo mfula kuwe ilona isihlahla esikhulu, isihlahla lesi esizala kakhulu ama mophani worms, amasonja awa kuleso sihlahla leso, kodwa sikhulu. The way siwe ngakhona siwe ihalf, and then sibe ibridge to the other side of the river. Isiwela le ene lesikhona lesi green, very green, asiwanga sife, siwile kodwa kune taproot, siyaphila ngaphakathi kodwa sule singaka. And then siba ibridge, wafika wasigibela makasigibela agijima makafika phakathi nendawo ingathi ukubalekelwa ingqondo kuyahamba, uyema. Yeah, it's meningitis, that disease, meningitis. So uyema make uyema uyangibheka ubheke emuva manje, uyaphenduka ubheke emuva uphakathi kwalesihlahla, and sikhulu in a way ukuthi you cannot even fall. Sikhulu kahle kodwa siyenze ibridge between la nokuyela le, ene ngakule si green, and the area is green also, green grass. so uyema yonke into ngathi iyabaleka la kuyena usubuya buyena uyabheka makabheka uyangibheka makangibheka and then nami sengimila ngithi lo mama uthe ngimi and vele ngiyabona ukuthi sengifike la kunomfula khona so uyangibheka makangibheka makaceda lapho hayi aphenduka ayihambele kahle nje akasagijima akasabaleki kodwa uyaphenduka uyayihambela and mina I cannot climb that thing yabo so wayihambela kanjalo kanti ukufa yabo it was crossing the bridge to the other side so sithe masekaqala that Monday wathi ikhanda ngamukisa ku doctor wahamba yena athi mina ngizwa ku doctor mina ngahambisa abantwana athi khipha abantwana ngoba sasijwayele ukuthi every month ending ngiyabakhipha abantwana so ngilinde lo wesikolo masekabuya siyahamba siyosikhipa lapho bayodla abantwana and then wathi ningabo ukhohlwa ukuthenga i-airtime athi ningithengele KFC ningibiyele nayo hayi sabuya endlini sathola simtholi usase ku doctor samlanda lapho ku doctor usase nalento ukuthi uyasahwa and then kunezinto ezikhuluma emandlebeni kodwa akazizwa kodwa ziyahlebeza so masifika lapho ku doctor hayi sabuya naye ke masibuya naye ke and then this younger brother angamtsheli many things mina ukuthi your brother is not fine yabo kodwa nako uyafika it's Tuesday nako uyafika akayanga emsebenzini I couldn't go to work because I wasn't feeling well ngiyezwa ukuthi something wrong with my brother kodwa ngaleso sikhathi we think yabona brotherly blood ukuthi yamtshela ukuthi your brother is not fine I didn't take it seriously ukuthi kungoba vele uyazi ukuthi sekuqalile kumele kwenzeke and then makafika yena ebese kamereni alele mina ngiyaayina and then ngithi kulomfana wami lo ngithi vusa ubaba umtshela ukuthi baba omncane khona uzombona umntana makaya lapho ufika iyavula amsho yamvusa ubaba khona uthe maka begcoke ilona so ufuna ukugqoka i-track suit uthe makathatha i-track suit afuna ukugqoka amsho wa twister maka twister uqala uya twister izandla azisabambi and umntanami lo mfana naloko kuyintombazana balapho so lo mfana uyahleka athi uyamhleka yabo is thinking it's a joke and yamlimaza ke kakhulu ke leyo ke belimela umntana kakhulu because that was the only picture abone ubabayi kuyena kuyona for the last time kanti ukufaka ukababakhe lokho kuyasondela yabo so uyahleka athi ubaba uwile yabo makathi ubaba uwile umhlana wami wavela wathi ngizwe ukuthi angisakhoni ngagijima bayahleka and nalowo ntombazana nayo yasondela bayahleka babuwile so I went there when I went there I ngabakhipha I closed the door ngathola ukuthi utwist level ngamthatha ngamlalisa ebedini ngamgcokisa leyo track suit ngathandaza ke mase ngithandaza and then ngambeka kahle ngatshela ubrother wakho ngithi uzombone elana ngoba he's not fine bewile njengoba labantwana manje bayabona abantwana ukuthi sokuqala kuba serious so sasa wambona ke hayi from lapho ke I was with this nginaye lo mama ngobeni and my cousin i-cousin yami eyakhe kahle ngithe mangifika kule ndawo besifunda esikoleni esisodwa so it's his cousin umntana kaanti wakhe umamakhe ulama uaunt umama ubabazala yabo so we were praying together we've been praying together with this thing even every vision we've been sharing it together so but no don't take him to hospital yet sibone ngathi ilabo o cousin wami but no don't take him to nalo mama bathi ungamise esibedlele siyeza sizothandaza because we see ukuthi esibedlele is ready for him and ngikhule vele ngibe yilo muntu lo ukuthi vele we know ukuthi in hospitals there are demons which are waiting to take people. Abanye bahamba baye esibhedlela engaguli kakhulu kodwa angasabuyi because we are not aware ukuthi kukhona amademon abulalayo aqedela abantu. Sometimes you take your person to hospital kanti vele already they have sent someone there. It's some spirits there lapho babalindile. Yabo lo muntu makafika hayi uzoza ukuthi umuntu akaseko kanti vele bamlindile bazomlanda. Yabo they have taken the person already. So mabakhuluma kanjalo because I understood from the spiritual side that it's okay. Sahlala ke samthandazela and then there was this woman of God from Venda at that time silokhu sikhuluma ngaye and we decided uthi ngimise khona ngoba I could see ukuthi death is here mara ngilwana nokuthi I don't want him to die. So samthatha ke sithi simisa eVenda. Masithi simisa eVenda on our way there yilento ngiyishilo last ngithi it had never happened ukuthi kube ne transport especially le ethatha abantu emzini ephindi ba deliverishe. That year 2005 it was the first time ngoba lo gogo lona mase kazo manifesta one day somewhere uthi uyena wahamba wahlebela labantu laba bama transport ukuthi yenzani transport ibe available hambisana abantu eGoli because abantu bahanjiswa lana ngama Friday niyabuka siyawabuka lawo ma transport ama taxi siyawabuka and then asilanda emzini after work ahamba ngama Fridays and then ngama Sundays abuyisa abantu. Mara that year it was a is it Thursday or Wednesday? It is a Wednesday. Yabo. So available transport and bathola abantu bavela bathi siyahamba abantu abobana abafuna kuye eGoli kuleyo ndawo leyo kule and not in every village, that village only. Abantu bagcwalisa itaxi, abantu bagcwalisa neventure. It was those times of venture and umnikazi walama taxi umnikazi weventure netaxi kwagcwala mina ngazi ukuthi kune taxi eza eGoli because it's during the week. So on our way there masithi sihamba sifike somewhere la after welcome to Lipompo. It was sasidlulile eGoli but that board yokuthi welcome to Lipompo somewhere there near a bridge and it's near a toll gate kude ivile langa phambili ngapha kuleli site laphuma ivile labaleka phambi kwethu libaleke ligijime ivile and this driver has to alona alwisa imoto so irim ilima iskontiri like it's like and those coming from that side baloku babheke ilona baloku bathi hey bababheka nalaba sihamba nabo it's like they're stressing because now ulwa nemoto walwa nayo sathandaza sithi baba singafeli kule moto ngoba we can see that there is witchcraft kanti ulogogo lo ula kulezi imoto ezizayo and we have to meet him. We meet her along the way so yabona ukuthi we will miss him her so uyo yenzile accident ukuthi sizobalinda ukuthi singayofika eLipompo angayenzanga lento afuna ukuthi icedelwe ngoba uyabona ukuthi yalwiswa because there is going to be prayed for. So hayi yalima imoto yaze yathola ilona yasekeka yama ke imoto hey abantu abathukanga bayayehla bagijimela la sikhona are you fine sithi yes right but yo likuphi vile likude ulilande kude lwamfana hayi sayehla ke masehla kuleyo moto ke umama lo athi no it's very hot sesithi bafonela eGoli bafonela the two younger brothers eGoli uthi hey sithole ilona and umfana lo uthi akanasi ispanere sokuthi azofaka ivile unalo elinye lespare ngoba lelana liphinde la mosheka so akanaso ipanere zakhona zokuthi uzikhohlwa akabona ukuthi uzikhohliwe but no it's fine and other people could help us khona lapha emgwaqeni ngithi but no it's fine sifonele ugogo ukuthi ugogo ufike ngakuphi I don't know ukuthi bamfonela ugogo ukhanika imoto or yini ungena kweyiphi indawo sifonele ile moto le eza nogogo ukuthi bafika ngakuphi so bathi ningakuphi lo mfana uyachaza athi hayi bazofika lapho banepanere nayo yonke into bazofika abantu bophela lelo vilo beza nogogo ene mina ngazi ukuthi ugogo yes yabo angazi ukuthi ugogo uyeza ugogo mama zali stay ubaba zali stay they are very fine asesababa basasebatsha laba bantu labo abakagugi kodwa yonke into eyenzakala eGoli kuze ugogo ulandani ugogo akakwazi ukupheka ugogo akakwazi ukupheka kwala eGoli akakwazi ukwenzani nokucleana nje nanoma ngisahlala naye eshawela nje she was not able to clean nayo yonke into umuntu esimenzela yonke into ayihlalele nje nanoma engaguganga kodwa besimenzela yonke into kodwa makunento kuthiwa kuze yena la eGoli angazi ukuthi uzoyenzani yabo kuthiwa ugogo yeza ngoba uzwile ukuthi kunokugula lokugula mina ngikamemezi nokumemeza ngisabatshela ukuthi umuntu nekhanda sekudume isigodi sonke ukuthi kuthiwa umuntu uyahamba eGoli ngoba angithi bayazi ukuthi in their meetings during the night that is what they are talking about ukuthi vele kukhona uzowaphansi okay hayi salinda ke so lo mama athi thatha ubaba umbeke ngaphandle asimkhiphele ngaphandle sandlala ithawula lomntana and then because angithi bengisampepha kodwa ebemdala she was about to be 3 now so itawula ngihamba nalo so ngidlala itawula siyambeka lapho masimbeka lapho uthi silindele abantu ukuthi bafike ngoba kuyashisa emotweni sambeka lapho I remember it was just 1 or 2 minutes ngingalunguzanga emuva ngithe mangilunguze emuva ngathola ukuthi angithi akasakhoni vele yena uye wagaba kakhulu uye waphuma sisendlini sisamthatha ngemoto samthatha simfake emotweni ugabe igazi elingamahlwili wagaba igazi elingamahlwili athi uyahlanza athi ngifuna ukuhlanza kanti uzogaba lelo gazi elingamahlwili so umuntu ongasakwazi kahle uweak yena vele kwayena but my spirit is not allowing me to take him to hospital vele so siyambeka lapho mangithi ngithola ukuthi intutwana yabona intutwana lezi ezinkulu ezinamakhanda amakhulu lezi ezinkulu lezi not lokho okuncane koshukela lokho kushukela kwakudala lokho kunamakhanda amakhulu kukhulu so lokho ubumboze from the top of his head to the bottom of his feet zimngene nasemakhaleni hayibo usaphila hayi masithi siyaphenduka and uyazama masithi siyaphenduka sithola ukuthi sathi hayibo imhlola yani le samsusa samthatha sambuyisele emotweni kanti vele ngelaki labantu baseduzana hayi wafika ke ugogo bafika bamake mabafika lapho bamake ngithi ngicela ukuthi ningambangeli ngoba yibantu ababuya kuleyo village kufike nje usibari wakhe oyi1 usakhumbula ngithi mabahleli baphuza kukhona lo sibari wakhe athi uyapi Sibali uyapi sisaphuza kumnandi kwafika yena ke athi hayibo Bali manje kwenze njani it was ulona ukufezeka kayo yonke lento kade eyikhulu Sibali
the dream is coming to reality
yes athi how Sibali kwenze njani and ngimbona ukuthi vele inhliziyo yakhe ibhlungu loya budi loyana athi hayibo kwenzakalani bakwenzani yabo ugogo uyafika ke lapho makafika ugogo izandla zenza so kodwa angithi ufaka indwangu bese ufaka nenye indwangu mase amatsonga bajwayela ukuthi laba abadala bajwayela ukuthi bafaka indwangu ne then bafaka enye into sibiza ukuthi inkhamu ibhandi la khona yilona indwangu it's a duke and then babophela nemali lapho bajwayela ukuthi babophele nemali lapho kodwa it's inside and then babeka ilona enye sibiza ukuthi inkhamu ngesitsonga so umani ubamba leyanto yabo uyathuthumela kodwa umani ubamba leyanto ngathi
kunento ayi
angithi ibophwa so leyanto angithi iso mase uyibophila ngithi so kuba inefindo so mina ngisiyela ukuthi mhlawumbe ufuna ukukhipha imali asiphe angazi I don't understand mara kodwa ubusy nefindo lelo la ubusy nefindo kanti ukhulula umoya that way ukuthi lo muntu lo angobosinda nala ayakhona yabo so ngithi gogo ufunani athi hayi uyathuthumela hayi baba uyophila yezwa baba uyophila yezwa baba umbona ukuthi ngapha enhliziyo yobuzali
ikhona but now
kodwa phela istokfel mele usidlali yabo mele nidle phela yabo so ilona ke hayi basilungisela lela vilwa ke we continued
Niyabambana manje bona
bona baza ngapha eGoli yena uza endlini kwami lokho
la eGoli.
Kodwa mina bengingamazi ukuthi uyeza yabo uza endlini kwami
nje mayisuka lapha sisibekeze emncwabeni straight
bezoqedela lento eyiqedelayo yenzeke lapho njengoba wayenza umntanama ngithi kodwa wabaleka leyo ukuthi ngidlona ngishonela umntana yebo uye ozile phela mina kuthiwa azohlalela mina uzoza kanjani azohlala nami angilinde ukuthi ngitete umntana nginomamazala wenzani umamazala wangezi umamazala ngoba yena uzela ukumosha yabo so ayike lapho ke sahamba safika eVenda ke masifika eVenda bamthandazela ke and then umntana washa ushengetiya washinyawo ngetiya ngesikhathi somncwaba kababakhe vele besimfaka into eyithapanyana ngoba ebeshile nje kakhulu ilezi ayihlahla the shrubs that was busy zimshaya mina ngimane ngijimisa babakhe yabo so sithe mase silaphana washa na lelinyawo lelinye washisa umlilo ngoba baba simlilo lapha yana kulo pastor it's a Christian pastor though so baba simlilo labantu abalala laphana because bafuna impilo ngithi baletha abantu uthola ukuthi abantu balele lapho so kanti uzoganda those coals angaboni ukuthi ngaphakathi anomlilo ayalona walimala ke umntana so I realize after uthi leza ihlahla kade zimshaya nginganandaba ukuthi ziyamshaya as long as I'm running after his dead yilokho and then we came back bamthandazela yes bamthandazela mabamthandazela ebengasakwazi kahle ngisho nokukhuluma kodwa they asked him ukuthi uyavuma ukuthi uJesu angakupholisa yini ilento waphusha waba namandla wayisho athi yebo yabo so that gave me a strength nyana ukuthi at least at least he has said ukuthi uyavuma ukuthi uJesu uzompholisa mhlawumbe uzompholisa yabo so we went from Venda and it was very hot that day it was like angazi even diyashisa shem it was very hot and it was making things worse for him so masuka lapho ngiyabona ukuthi hayi usuyaqala uphuma amanzi ngamakhala uphuma amanzi ngomlomo just like the other brother ethe ikhanda 2 days inyana waphuma amanzi ngomlomo waphuma amanzi ngamakhala and died ufele ezandleni zika auntie ngoba uauntie ufike wambamba ngoba bathi uye wajampela phezulu makajampela phezulu athi wabamba umama wakhe so waqinisa athi amanzi aloku aphuma kanjalo hayi uauntie wagijima wafika wamsusa ngoba emnamathele lapho ke lena zangisathula bamthatha bamngenisa endlini and then he died yabo so nalo bebamshaye ikhanda ematsheni ebusuku that is why the water was coming out naye lo bamshaye ikhanda ebusuku that's why the water was coming out of the mouth and out of amakhala so masuke eVenda ngiyathandaza ngithathe isandla sami lesi ngisibeke phakathi kwesandla sakhe I'm praying azange ithule from the event kude I was praying you're not gonna leave me I'm still very young I cannot be a widow labantwana basase bancane uyazi ukuthi isithatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi sithola abantwana and now you want to leave me with these children are just like infants you're not going to go ngiyathandaza nalo mama lo anginceda sithandaza masifika phakathi nendawo lo mama lona wathula ngithi uthuleleni yabo ngithi uthuleleni ke wabona mase ukwatise into yakho nje sengathi ukwatela nabantu manje usuthuleleni yabo athi akusekho lutho la ilamagama athe athi mama thebula ima lapho angeke umkhone loyo muntu abakwamathebula lento bayayazi in a dream so uthi akusena lutho la nanoma singayenza akusena ngithi excuse ngithi ungoba ukhuluma kanjalo ngalwa naloya mama ngamagama angangiphenduli ya mama wayithulela nje ngithi ungakhuluma kanjani uqeda amandla uwe umele unginika amandla phela mara usungiqeda amandla hayi kanti yena uma kaNkulunkulu manje ukhuluma naye ngathi ngatandaza mina all the way ngatandaza and those those two young men bazamile ukudriver as fast as they can.
Yeah.
And then we were taking him to Lesedi Hospital. Sithe masesifika sebese kusentambama bese ilanga lishona, it was around past 7 ebese lilona kuba uqala ngathi kuba mnyama, so singakangeni eLesedi. I took my phone ngifonela endlini we had a landline, ngafonela endlini, mangifonela endlini umntana bengimshiye no mamncane ulona umamncane waka baba umncane wakhe, not the one who is naughty, the other one. So bengimshiye lapho nomkakhe lapho, so ngiyafona, so ngithi nika ulona iphone, nikubafana iphone, wamnika iphone ke. And then ngathi Mathebula, ngathi baba awukwazi ukuhamba ne, akusulo mntana nje kuphela ukhona lo ombonayo la, kunalo sendlini, awukwazi ukubashiya labantwana, khuluma naye. Ngaleso sikhathi akasakwazi nokukhuluma, ngisho akasakwazi nokukhuluma kahle, kodwa wadonsa amandla from ngaphakathi. Ivoice yakho uyizwa ukuthi yileshem, izwisisa lona ubuhlungu ayikho. Athi umntana, baba uzobuya ngithi bafana khuluma nobaba bakho. Athi baba uzobuya ngithi, wadonsa umoya, wadonsa ivoice ngaphakathi, ubona ukuthi ufuna ukukhuthaza umntana. Athi yebo ngizobuya mntana, yabo. So makaqeda lapho ngathatha ifoni ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi umoya awukho mningi, ngathatha ifoni ke ngithi uzobuya ubaba, angithi umzwile. Athi sengijabule ngoba ngikhulume naye, yabo. So sesiyajika siyangena eLesedi, umntana ulike mina, ngimbambile la, yena ula akakhona, akanamandla, kodwa waba namanye amandla, wathatha lo mntana wamgrabha, he grabbed the baby, wamthatha wamthi, yabo, like it's like bye bye my girl. So well, masesifika lapho, it's emergency, wamgrabha umntana uyasaba ngoba ubona amanzi aphuma ngomlomo, manje ngivele ngiyamsula namakhala. So umntana uyasaba, ngithi ungamsaba baba, ilona ubonisa uthando. And then the strength went out. Ngamthatha umntana. I'm sorry, I told myself I'm not gonna be emotional.
Hey, mama.
But there are some stories leze udlule kuzona. It's not like awupholanga, kodwa when you relate them, you go back to that space again. Yeah. So ngathi ke kwaba emergency ke ngamthatha ke umntana ngoba ngibona ukuthi amandla wasekho. It was like, baba my girl, this is the last time that I'm gonna hug you, though he couldn't say. So safika hayi kwaba emergency, bamthatha bamukisa ku emergency, mina ngisala ngisibhalisa ngapha, bona babhizi naye bazama ulona bafaka ama drip and everything. Use roomini leli esilibiza ukuthi iroom lokufikela, angithi uba yi1 lapho. It's like a resuscitation room. Kodwa ilawa ama 1-1, ilawa uthi uba yi1 lapho. So he was there, and then mina ngiyabhalisa. So lo mama lo vele yena ujike nomntana na baya endlini ba ayoshiya umntana. So athi umntana wakhala indlela yonke, sengathi ukhalela indaba ukuthi kukhona okusho. Athi I could feel ukuthi lo mntana ungitshela ukuthi kahle ubaba mangeke ngisaphinda ngisambona. Athi engathula umntana saze sangena endlini. Athi ngafika endlini, ngafika ngamshiya. Athi mangibheka lo yagogo ngangamthandi, ngangamfuni, azange ngikhulume naye. Ngifike ngathatha umntana ngamshiya, ngithi basesibhedlela, ngahamba, azange ngikhulume nalo yagogo, ngamshiya nomamncane wakhe, ngajika ngahamba. Then mina lapha esibhedlele bamresuscitate, bayenza konke. I'm wearing that peach 2-piece le kade ngiyiphuphile, ngihamba nama envelope and everything. That is the 2-piece that I'm wearing ngoba yona ayiwu, ngoba I've been from fasting. yona ayiwu at least iyazipha futhi inekinop kodwa naye igcine vele nayo isiwa because I was very slender vele kwami. And then masuphuma na kuma fasting bese ngondile vele and the situation le those nyana few days nyana. So now mase bam resuscitate in the resuscitation room whatever mamenzile and then bam stabilizer, he was now fine. So we are machine imani yakhala na everything. Mina angikho lapho ngile so ngithe mangiceda ukubhalisa ngisalindile bathi basa busy naye bazokubiza. And then udoctor wafika wathi Mrs. Matebula, what happened? Ngithi I can't say I really know. Uthe lo muntu nekhanda 1 2 3 athi we're running the test now, we don't know uthi inkinga yini. Has he been to maybe a certain place in 2 months time? Ngithi yes, he went to Limpopo. Athi mhlambe kube ne virus or whatever ngithi kunelwimi lwesidokotela yabo. So athi now you can enter, we have stabilized him, you can go and see him. Haingangena ke mangingena in that room, I'm opening the door, is like it's a believe value. Angithi they have to give him privacy ukuthi akungeni na noma ubani vele ngoba basanda ukumresuscitate. And then the doctor left aya ku that side and the nurses. So imini engenayo bayobona I think another patient or whatever, I don't know, but imini engenayo. So ngivula umnyango, when I opened the door imibhede yasesibhedlela angithi yabona ukuthi imibhede yasesibhedlela isuka kahle ethi mara phezulu, so bayigoci ukuthi phezulu ibe phezulu. So kunomshini umshini we lona for the heartbeat, it's saying tititi. It shows ukuthi heartbeat yomuntu ishaya kanjani. Bamfakile amachubo and everything nje, bamchubele with everything naleyo mshini leyo yabo. So mangena mina I'm entering usuyehlile angithi umbedula emshini ila be this side ila eceleni emshini. So yena umane mina when I enter, he was taking a breath. Mangena mina he was taking a breath because he said hey ne, and then he said again hey. That was his last breath. Inyawo zakhe sezila zilengela. These are the legs. These are the knees. So ulengela kulwambedu. And it's like uthe hey magati hey. I saw ukuthi he was taking his last breath. Ngoba wavela wathu. Yabo? Wow, maganjalo, and I could see the person is dead. In a minute, angazi ukuthi I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu wanginika lawo mandla. That minute, ngiyabona ukuthi it was just heaven coming down ukuzongibamba amahlombe to show ukuthi hayi ukuthi mntanami lento mayenzakala ngivumela iyenzakala because I don't love you. I still am with you. I love you. But it has to happen.
Yeah.
So, ngimbona ukuthi uhambile and uchamile. So ngibheke lo muntu la owomile vele. Ngiyambona ukuthi this person is dead. Kodwa ngibheke la. I'm seeing ngiyambona yena uhamba phezulu. Uyahamba in the atmosphere, uhamba uyale enele ndawo eya kuyo, it's a bit dark ngapha. Uyale kodwa ngiyambona kodwa mina angibheka ngale, I'm looking here kulo muntu lo ola phansi. This thing happened, I think kukhona omnye untombazana, I think it was around 2009 naye she was dead and umama ke wangibiza. Mangifika mangiguqa mina la embedweni, I saw that girl ebenza grade 11 that time. Ngimbone ehamba emoyeni mina ngibheka isidumbu sakhe la, and then ngathi la emandlebeni yakhe ngamemeza. I shouted for the first time igama lakhe, I shouted for the second time. Mangishouta for the second time kulapho athi uzwe nje sho igama lakhe umisho athi uzwe sho ukubonisa ukuthi ngiyambiza. And then the third time mase ngithi Misho, kulapho waphenduka bese wawela ebedini wabuyela embedini mase kasitshela istory. And then mara there she started to breathe. So but this one, it was for the first time that time. So mangithi ngiyabona ukuthi lo muntu nakho uyahamba phezulu ugcoke lezi impahla ezigcokile kodwa nakho uyahamba phezulu and ngapha ugcoke ebethanda amabhemuda ugcoke ibhemuda enye kodwa iskipa yiso lese esigcokela kodwa ngiyambona uyahamba phezulu. And then ngathola amanye amandla angazi ukuthi bengiwathola kahle kahle ngizothi bengiwathola kuNkulunkulu. I went there, I grabbed him from la elenge khona. I'm grabbing him back to le phezu kwembedo le kunemishini khona. Mase ngimgrabile ngimisa le. I shouted. His name was Rogers. I shouted. I said, Rogers. That was my first shout. Anginandaba ukuthi kusesibhedlele sikabani ngirasela ba. Yay, that was a shout, a loud shout. Ngithi Rogers. I said, come back. This is my second shout. And then ngithathela nesikhathi. Rogers. Come back. In the name of G. Ngithema ngithi in the name of G. Kanti labantu laba bazwe the shout. The doctor and the nurse who was previously there. Bazwe the shout. And now they are coming back running. Ngesikhathi ngithi in the name of G. Ngisathe G angikaqedeleli uJesus. Kulapho ke ama-light acima in the hospital. It went like tush. It was black. It was dark. Every light switched off in that room. I didn't know that it switched off in the whole hospital. Mina ngibona la ngikhona the lights switched off. And then when the lights switched off, and then there was thunder and lightning. Lati wadla. Washai lightning. And then when the lightning lishaye lapho, I saw him abuya parallel. Uke wabona umuntu makabuya ngemhlana. Ubuye ngemhlana. Wangena inside his body. I heard him even when he said Gudlu and when he said hey.
Yeah, man.
And I forgot to tell you that the machines were saying ti 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 ti.
Oh.
They were saying tu.
Yeah.
That machine ngoba ngiyayazi ngibona ku TV masibheka ama movies bheka izitori ukuthi ma ithi ntinti umuntu ushonile. That's when I realized ukuthi lo muntu ushonile vele. So ebiyenza nti le machine ubonisa ukuthi lo muntu ehamba one line, so ubonisa ukuthi lo muntu akasaphili. So he came back and he came back parallel through his back wangena enyameni yakhe wabuya wayenza ne sound wathi hey. Wakala imshini yati tititi yakala ya, and the lights came back. Yeah, it was light everywhere. And when the lights came back, ngizithola now ngiyabona ukuthi buyile. His breathing. Ngizithola ngiyabheka hayi ukuthi ngiyabheka ngoba vele ngifuna ukubheka. I'm looking at u doctor. Ngiye ngahlangana nabo kahle kahle bengingabheki bona ngihlangana nabo ngamehlo bala ebondeni langasemnyango. The doctor, the nurse and the doctor, they are clenched to each other like this. Babambene so like ingathi basabe into basabele endaweni eyi1. They are in one place bashokekile so babambene so. And I'm like ngiyababheka kodwa ngikho, and then I felt ukuthi my spinal cord is melting like ingathi ayina, it was like a jelly ngathi angisena spinal cord. And then it was it has melted angina akusenayo umhlana. I felt like that. So udoctor uthi hold her. Unese uyasaba ukubamba naye udoctor uthi hold her hayi ukuthi usho ukuthi kumele angibambe, because they don't understand the thing that transpired between the lightning, the lights and everything.
It's too much now.
And that person, should we even touch that person? They're not sure if they should even touch me. Doctor ati no. For the rest of my life, ngudokotela I have never seen anything like this. Usho kanje, anginandaba naloko bakushoyo. Loya unesi uyasaba ukusondela angibambe uma na attempt so udoctor naye akangibambi. Lokubheka emshini kodwa uyasaba ukusondela nasemshinini kanjalo. Yazi ngiyayibuyela. Ngiyi1 ngiyayibuyela so ngiloko babhekile so it's like hard like ingathi ngithi du ngiyayibuyela phansi kwadla phansi ngiyi1 basa ngibamba ngithe mase ngilaphana phansi I don't feel my spinal cord ngiyabatshela ngithi I feel like I'm melting sekubuyi shock yonke I feel like I'm melting so bafika unese udoctor athi run to the kiosk and take some juice there hambo thathi juice then bathatha juice ke angisazifeel lapha ngimane ngesithi yena uya breathe and then the doctor is saying Mrs. Matebula don't worry you see you prayed and your husband is back yabo see he's back he's breathing don't worry uyazama ukuthi akhulume nami kodwa uyangibona ukuthi angikho so athi ku the nurse go uyombeka le angakasho ukuthi ku nurse go uyombeka le unurse makathi uyaphuma kugcwala abantu from that reception from that other reception they came bazobheka ukuthi ngoba the whole noise comes from here and everything switched off and there was lightning and stuff like that so they want to see what is happening inside there so udoctor wathi ngicela nisuke ningambangeli ilona emthunzi eminingi wavala umnyango yabo wabacosha ke makabacosha and then bangifaka ijuice bathulule athi she's still in shock athi kodwa the husband is fine we will take him to the ICU so wabona ukuthi ngiweak athi ngicela ukuthi umthathe uyombeka embedeni makathi yangithatha inyawo zamasebenzi ayikho lento esebenzayo because I've melted my spinal cord because of the shock bangithatha ke nodokotela bawu2 bayongibeka kwenye room lapho iroom yama patient kahle bafika lapho bangibeka ke mabangibeka lapho ilapho ba treatela khona abantu before mangabe uza for i-casual bakutreatela lapho ubuyele endlini so bangibeka lapho mabangibeka lapho ke kulapho ke kweza omnye nurse ukhona yena vele kulamakhulu ngathi umxhosanyana so hayi weza ke kuchu uyeza ufika lapho uphile umuntu loyo who is the person who made this hospital shook ubani lo yenza ukuthi kucima light mina I don't know ngibone lapha yana ubani I'm from the far part of the hospital is psychiatric ingathi bebayibeka egcineni ngoba abantu abana depression baphazamisekile so they have to put it egcineni ukuthi bangaphazamiswa yinoise yangapha so she's saying she's coming from there and ebesanda kubanika amapilisi okulala so ngivuse wonke umuntu kusheke sonke isibedlele kune thundering isibedlele sami leso ke na yabo walwa lo ya mama wafika wala yini ungenza so lo sister usaphumile ngaleso sikhathi ubusy yehla nakulombheda kusombheda wakho you are not a patient in uyangihlukumeza uyangilona lo so inesi yafika ke mase ifika ethi hayibo udokotela uthi ngibekela uyagula yini la yenzile hayi angazi ukuthi ebesebenzela uSatan or kanjani lo ya nurse loya hayi wangihlukumeza hayi udokotela wabuya athi ngicela uhlukane naye mina ngimbekile la ngizokubhayisa wena ngizokubhayisa akusomthetho wahamba lo ya nurse lo makahamba lo ya nurse njiki wabuya bangishela bathi hayi wena lala wena waphinda wabuya futhi wazongehlisa embedeni hayi ngaze ngayehla ke hayi unurse lo yanathi ngoba sifuna ukulwa vele angithi uthi uzobabhayisa ku the body esibedlele so wangithatha ngayo uhlala e-reception la kulindwa khona e-kiosk kahle bathi ngalala lapho kulelo tafula lelo and then they came with him bambeke ICU and then the following day angithi gogo khona siya ICU masifika lapha e-ICU singena bathi bavumela ifamily 2 members so ngiyangena lapho mangingena lapho uloku uyaphefumula mara bambekela amanye ama-drum amakhulu akusafani nale kunenye i-drum nje enkulu engaka iyenza so it's like ngathi isibungu so or yayibona iporopiti
folded yeah
yes it's coming down maka breather iya up kanjalo iyenza kanjalo enkulu so and iyarasa it's making a bit of noise yabo neminye imishini nje namanye ama tape so ilama tape la kade awasusa lapha yana einyaweni yabo so bambeke nama tape na everything so ngiyafika lapho mangifika lapho nogogo siyangena bangibuza ukuthi na ubando ngithi ugogo makafika lapha na uya ufuna ukulona ubhizi nefundi lelo kodwa uliyenzela ngaphakathi kolonke kondranga ngithi ubhizi nefundi ngithi gokwani ufuna ukumenzani ufuna umnikani ene nami imind yami ayikho lapho ukuthi lo gogo whatever yabo so ngithi gogo ufuna ukumnikani yini ufuna ukumnika something imali or something because umuntu ongalona angeke uzumnike nemali or anything so ngiyazibuza ukuthi ugogo uyini kuleli findo kanti kuleli findo leli uyalikhulula ngoba ukhulula yena uvula umoya wakhe ukuthi mawuhambe na kanjani mawuhambe yabo waqala ke umathebula lapho waphefemla ngenye indlela wakhwehlela lama drama yenze enye noise baze bavale basikhiphe bathi phumani siphume masiphuma basala bamstabilize again and then they called me bathi ngena uyiwani ngingena lama nurse labathi yes we've been working in ICU we study people's behavior maba ku ICU ukuthi umuntu maka behavior so kusuka kuyini ubani lo yagogo lo ngithi ugogo wake bathi lo yagogo akalunganga ungasaphindi ubuye naye lo muntu lo lele la that is the sign akamfuni lo muntu lo ya lo yagogo lo akalunganga we study these people we know them very well akamfuni angasaphinda abuye la uyo ongamfuni ay ngoba mangabe kuwe ubonela ukuthi uhambamba isandla kube uqale lapho ulogogo lo yabo so lapho ke hayi ngambamba isandla ke bathi khuluma naye uyakuzwa simvale amehlo ukuthi angalimali ngomuthi simnamathelisile ukuthi angalona azolimala amehlo wakhe yabo so ayingakhuluma naye ungishiyi baba abantwana and everything ngikhuluma naye and I'm sorry that I delayed taking you to hospital so angithi sengiyaziblame ukuthi maybe if I had taken him earlier ngingazi ukuthi whether it was earlier or after
witchcraft
yes it was done yabo so I Saturday ke sithema siya Saturday ayisafika samthandazela ngithi seka phumile ICU mase sibuya siphuma lapho I see him looking at me with two eyes ume phezulu kwesibhedlela in the roof of the hospital looking at me and nginabantu abaningi abangani bami they came there to support me nabanye abazalwane so I'm looking at ngiyahamba nje ngiyayihambela ungibhekile ngamehlo and amehlo akhona azwisa ubuhlungu the way angibheka ngakhona ukuthi it's like ngathi bye do you see ukuthi angeke usabuya la uzongivusela you will not find mina ngathi ukhuluma nami ngiyabatshela ngithi kunamehlo wakhe angibhekile awu2 but kanjani ngithi ume phezulu kweroof lesibhedlela ukhuluma nami uyangibheka sengathi angeke ngisambone sithe masithi siyahamba nyana lapho siya le erenkini siyogibela itaxi lapho ispinal cord samelt again I fell bangithatha bathi kwenze njani ngithi ngizwe ngathi angina spinal cord bangiphuzisa bathatha lemon twist bangifaka vele izandla azisasebenzi lapho I was shocked bangifaka bangiphuzisa nosisi wami bekhona usisi wami ufike kwakusasa kwakhona ngoba naye uthi uNkulunkulu wamtshela ukuthi hamba uyeGoli ngoba uyosupport isister wakho younger sister yakho because le ndoda yakhe angiyiphile yabo so wafika nayo usisi ke so bangiphuzisa hayi from lapho bebangithwele nje omnye bambe ngapha inyawo zamazi kwazi ukuganda phansi weak so yes masifika endlini there is a light lichomeke kahle yabona ilight malichomeke kahle liphezulu le but it was a decorated light a dining room and then a passage ilama light yakudala lawa nento yokuvala lenkulu le round what do they call them round so iyavala ivali light ukuthi lingani that one yes so sihlele e dining room masihlele e dining room vele mina ayikho into emnandi lapho hayi nokudla angidli akube mnandi sesibuye esibhedlele that Saturday mase sifike endlini ngihleli lapho then a wind just came from nowhere wafika lo moya washaya kakhulu ukhona naye lo gogo mara yena ule kamereni washaya kabuhlungu lo moya mawushaya uke wabona mangathi nivule ama-window wonke sengathi ungaphephula nendlu lo moya kodwa it's hot it's November so again angithi mangibona leya vision it was November 2004 now it's November 2006 so ithathe nje a space of that year November to November from the vision then washaya omnye umoya makushaya omnye umoya there was a picture yabona lama lezinto lezi zabo my I love you ngathi ispili futhi ngathi wash ebengithengele ngeValentine ya kuloyo nyaka lo ngiyibeke lapha yana iphezulu kwe room divider sisasebenzisa ama room divider iphezulu kwe room divider yayenza so yasheka le yanto ya I love you yasheka yabuya phansi yathi phyatla makusheka kwasheka indlu yonke mayisheka indlu yonke ilight leli labuya ngentambo ke wabona intambo ibuye ifike la khona la yabuya intambo ifike la kwawa the covering yathi phyatla phansi nala epassage yabuya intambo ngathi khona umuntu ophezulu laphana osusayo yabuya intambo nayo yazolenga la wawa iglobe yathi phyatla we could see ukuthi no this is not a good sign intambama yanga brother yakhe wafona athi hayi nangubhuti uvulela amehlo njengoba bathi uzowavula amehlo hayi Sunday ekseni around 4 it was mase bafona it was 4 shoot yena ushone somewhere like 4 o'clock so they had to be sure so ke ilona bafona ke and then mabafona bathi mina ngilala dining room ikamera ngiyalisaba ngilala la dining room nabantwana nomnye umntana kasisi wami la ofike nosisi wami
what time is it yeah
sit distortion
hayi sifuna abaphathi hayi siyema la ntombi sicina phi futhi
yes
yini kusasele inangizane endevel
yes there is not really about the death and stuff like that kusasela isele part I went through
sibamba so
the part where
James will do part 4
what I went through
so into part 4 yeah no mama sizokwenza part 4 next week yes no thank you so much
kahle ngathi sisafika na ku 5 ngoba
awu mama waso
ngoba ngisaselena la yobuthakathi ukuthi then the witchcraft yasala ke yadlala indima ke mina nabantwana
imama ngengingawasaba amantombazana selempompo manje ayi ngathi ngisathathe
eziyabuya it's not everyone
hey yonke indawo right yonke indawo hey no mama siyabonga kakhulu we'll do part 4 right yeah then sizobona ukuthi siubeka phi then siqhubeke sibone ukuthi iphelela until sisfinish yeah it's very crazy ukuthi abantu they go through this kind of things and yo but imagine your own blood just doesn't want to see you alive hey this thing is deep
very
like your own blood and ayikho into ayenzile kuwe
no you just have to eat angithi mawuye busha uyothenga inyama you just want to eat bona they just have to eat yabo ibona mabadla bona kumnandi kubona inyama yabo I will explain that in the coming parts because there is another one who also died after because the years were gone and now another one had to follow.
This sacrifice thing is deep, man. And it's not easy to break this cycle.
Gogo washona kwasala lo baba omncane wabantwana and baba omncane uyiphethe.
Angithi yabo, that's why wabiza lo baba omncane ukuthi amtshengise ukuthi
Because ebebona
operator
ukuthi mina
kanjani.
izoshaya nanoma nini. So
Eh,
you have
so-
to carry the legacy.
Yeah. So my might baba omncane sengumdala is because ugogo sembonisile the evil ways. I hope I didn't Christmas. You already know this is the best show. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing as usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kandaya. Our studio is not done yet. We're just working. Yeah, soon we'll be okay. So otherwise, yeah, James, we out.